Hey loves, it is Monday, the 24th, I believe. And I decided I was making me a smoothie and I was like, let me do a what I eat in a day video. I haven't done one of those in a while. And I am trying out new recipes for lunch and dinner, I believe, if I have time. So yeah, let's see what I eat today and I hope you guys enjoy. So again, this is an overview of what I use. This one is 20 grams of protein, and then this one is, let's see, 13 grams for 1 cup. I have strawberries and banana, blueberries, and then spinach. Please disregard how I look because I wasn't even going to film today, but cheers. Good. Okay guys, this is my breakfast. Egg whites, avocado, feta cheese, and turkey bacon. And then also I have a hash brown underneath there. So that is my breakfast. I did leg day this morning, so I'm trying to, sustain my muscle, build muscle. So I'm having a big breakfast. It's lunchtime and I just made me some quinoa. I'm making me like a quinoa salad for lunch. The only thing is I don't have like a Greek dressing. That's the only thing I'm missing. So I'm gonna add quinoa to my bowl and some other stuff. I just added some chicken and some spinach also. And then I'm gonna add feta cheese, and I gotta figure out some kind of dressing to put on this. Also cut me up some cucumbers, so I'm gonna add that. Again, my thought for today, or my goal for today, is to incorporate more vegetables. So yeah, that's why. And then these are vegetables I usually don't eat. Like I don't usually eat cucumbers, and I don't usually eat quinoa. So this is something I'm trying out. Okay, so I know for a fact I'm not going to eat all this because I typically don't even eat lunch. So, yeah, this is going to be my lunch. And yeah, it looks delicious. I just need a dressing. Hey guys, I am making dinner now. And I am sauteing up garlic and onions. And then I'm going to add bell peppers to this. I'm making like a cabbage soup type thing with ground chicken, so that's gonna be my dinner. And then also, if I have time, I'm gonna make cornbread. So this is what I'm doing right now. Okay guys, what I did was add the cabbage in, and I added about a tub of chicken broth, reduced sodium. I don't want to make too much. I tend to overcook, so I'm trying to just make enough for maybe a few days, not the whole week. So yeah, I just added like half the tub, and then I seasoned it also. I'm going to add these frozen carrots because I didn't buy any fresh ones. So I'm going to add that to the pan, and then towards the end I'm going to add the ground chicken, and then yeah, that will be it. I'm going to get started on the cornbread as well. the cornbread I am using from Trader Joe's.
Ew. Ew, give water.
Hmm?
Give water. I want to make it.
I already did the egg, baby.
Huh?
Hmm. 1, 2, 3.
Why me do this?
2.
Why we have to do this?
There. And 3. Okay. Pour it in there. We're using butter because I don't have oil. I'm supposed to use oil, but we're using butter. Alright, we need to add some sugar.
Ew.
What do you mean, ew?
What? Is good?
Yeah, it's good. I just don't eyeball it.
We have to keep on.
Girl, get back. Alright, let's get a spoon and mix it up, Riley.
Yeah.
Let me just mix it a little bit, then I'll let you do it. Do y'all add sugar to y'all cornbread?
Huh?
I'm talking to the video. Let me know in the comments if you do.
Okay.
Alright, here. Mix.
Okay.
Finish mixing.
Here?
Mm-hmm. What you laughing at? Can you see it?
Huh?
Can you see it?
Huh?
I said, can you see it?
Yeah, I see it. Ew, Mommy.
Mm-hmm. Y'all gonna pop? Y'all gonna mess that up? Okay, guys, this is steaming hot, but I'm ready to dig in. It looks good. Y'all, it smells like Thanksgiving in here. First off, like I'm cooking a dressing or something because of the celery and the onions and stuff. But let's dig in. It's hot though, y'all. It's hot. I have so much cornbread in there, and it's just me eating this food. I wish on the cornbread like boxes of food they show like a half, like how to halfen it.
Okay. Wait, you want to put it in vinegar?
It's like this is perfect like on a cold day. Too bad the high today was like 70 degrees, but oh, this will be perfect on a cold day. Oh, good. And then the cornbread will just soak up the juices.
Why my turtle?
Mm.
My turtle fly with it.
I'm gonna enjoy this food, y'all.
Hey, don't.
Sorry for the chaos, but I'm a mom.
Yeah.
But thank y'all for coming along with me as I eat throughout the day. I will see y'all in the next vlog. Bye.